50th year rather in the country. So yes, 5 decades na po ang Suzuki Philippines in the Philippines. So guys, a round of applause, 50 years na tayo. Diba? In the country, imagine that, 5 decades. And with that, we are celebrating this with all of you by revealing these amazing bikes. Ito mga high-performing bikes on or off the road. Whatever adventure you'd like to have, ito na po yung mga rides for all of you. Pero FYI, hindi pa po ito na-launch here in the Philippines. We are just featuring them for all of you guys, so go ahead and enjoy them. And speaking of which, ito na guys, they are so ready for play. Our Suzuki friends, our moto vloggers, you guys have seen them here on stage roaming around, but now you get to see them here right in front in the flesh. They are ready for play. Joining us today are your favorite moto vloggers. Ayan, straight from Japan, kinagat po siya ng isang deer. Let's call on the Carlos Salonga showman. He is Mr. Carlos Salonga!
Siyempre, it's nice to see everyone. Yearly, nagsasama-sama tayo dito dahil sa isang passion natin, kundi ang pagbumotor. Maraming salamat po sa nagpunta.
Ako, the most controversial, most hated man in the Philippines! Much has changed. Okay, what has changed? Let's put our hands together for Mr. Rendon Labrador!
Maraming salamat, Suzuki. First time ko sa Suzuki event. At sisiguraduhin natin na pagkatapos ng show na to, mamomotivate kayo lahat!
Let's go! At may pinapinay si Rendon ngayon, diba? Pakita mo naman yan para ma-motivate sila.
Pwede ba yan? Pwede ba?
We have Jack Lau!
Masyadong mag-iahin talaga ako sa raffle din sa Suzuki doon ng V-Stroke 650. So, 3,000 bike riders sa National Convention sa Bacolod.
Mom and foremost, North Looper, safety riding advocate, and key icon of sure we got Rio aka Inang Moto!
Good morning mga ka-Suzuki! Good afternoon po. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
Thank you so much for being here and of course being the lady of the house. What do you like most? Okay, either the...
Nahihilig ako sa pag-trail, off-road. So, napapansin ko na the more mas madaming kulay, colorful yung suot or yung motor, mas ma-feel mo yung adventure. Mas ganado ka.
Mas ma-motivate ka mag-adventure.
So, madalas, sa mga hindi nakaalam, laging 1,000cc and up yung mga gamit kong bikes. So, features na ito, kompleto rin. May cruise control. I don't know kung may heated grips ko, pero ito na yung pang-adventure sports na Suzuki.
Perfect na perfect for you.
For example, nandun ka. Gaganyanin kita eh.
Woo!
Gaganyanin kita. Tapos kaya kong bumaba ang...
What?
Mahal.
Na-fall na talaga siya. Na-fall.
Tinabahan.
Na-fall.
Yeah.
Na-fall talaga ako papunta rito.
Oh, wow. Legit talaga siya. Alright.
Maganda na the best.
Yung pinaka-Ironman ko na yung Suzuki SB. Tapos, kadalasan kong gamit yung GSX-S 1000. So since ito, bago to ng Suzuki na siya, 1000cc. Bagay na bagay ito. At hindi siya mahirap sa babae.
So alam niyo naman nangyari, pag na-eliminate kayo, ang papalit is the next person. Okay? So ang first move natin ay, alam naman natin, Suzuki. Alright, sige. Good luck. Inang Moto. Let's go! Next up sa'yo ako. Okay?
Ang king ako, ikaw.
Nakatakbo ako ng jet ski. Oh, ikaw.
Iwas ako sa lubak, ikaw.
Tama. Nagano ako naglalaro ako ng go-kart. Oh, ikaw.
Go-kart ka doon.
Ganun pa rin. Laban!
Nagtatrail ako, enduro.
Parang ganun din kanina nagtutulog
May
pa.
ilang ako yung pansada, iba yung lupa.
Ano to?
Ikaw.